Welcome back to Aaron's Daily Thoughts. Today's subject is fear is natural. There's not a single person living right now that hasn't ever experienced fear. The most successful people that you see out there still get afraid. But the thing that's different about them and people who aren't successful is how they react to fear. It's not about the fact that they have fear, whether or not they have it. It's about how they react to it. They use fear to their advantage. When they are afraid of something, that makes them want to do it even more. They get outside of their comfort zone, and that is how they grow. That is how you grow. It's how I grow. It's by getting outside of your comfort zone. I had a really cool experience. Yesterday, I spent about an hour just envisioning my perfect future. Envisioning a day where everything went exactly the way I wanted to. I envisioned what clothes I would wear. I envisioned what car I would drive, who I would associate with, what kind of things I would say to my friends, stuff like that. And I envisioned every single step throughout my entire day. And it was amazing. I felt like I was in the moment just because I spent so much time envisioning my future. It felt so real. And the next day, today, I went to school and I lived the way that I envisioned my future. First couple hours of school went really well, but then something interesting happened. I started becoming really afraid. It was so weird because I had gotten super excited about my vision the day before. So why was I so afraid? And then I realized fear is natural. Fear is something that comes when you do something you've never done before. Because I was getting outside of my comfort zone, because I was living something that I had never done before. I was living my dreams, and I had never really taken those next steps. It can be scary. Fear is natural. You don't need to worry. It's just about how you react to it. Are you going to use fear to motivate you, to keep going, to use it to invigorate you and excite you for the future? Or are you going to let it tear you down? When you feel afraid, let that be a reason for you to do it. An even better reason for you to do it. You only grow by getting outside of your comfort zone. And you might fail. I failed at a ton of things today, but it was awesome because I walked away saying, yeah, I failed, but what can I learn from this? And the reason I failed was because I tried something new. You're almost never going to get something right the first try. So never give up. Fear can be overcome, but not in the way that you think. It will still be there, but you will have less and less of it because your comfort zone will grow bigger and bigger. It will always have an edge, but because it's so big, the things that used to scare you won't scare you anymore. That's all I have for today. See ya.